Hello, greeting to you viewers. You are welcome to my channel. In this video, I just want to give us an insight how we can be validating our data on daily basis on 5 billion sales. So this is the 5 billion sales page. So and when you first log in, this is where you are going to land when you first come to the page. So let me just refresh it. So I just refresh it now. This is the page you will land to. So the next thing is that you are going to click on this. You click on this look, these three horizontal line. So you click on it, and that is what I want to click now. So once you click on it, the next thing to click is to click on select money maker. Remember, we want to validate our data. So select money makers, and here, once you get here, the next thing to click is to click on this sell your data. Sell your data, and that is exactly what I'm going to click now. You just click it, it's loading. So as you can see, it has loaded, and there is a pump validate your login. You must visit your sell data balance box to validate your data at least once each week. And check this. So and it has a time, it has a timeout. I must do this thing in the next 4 minutes. Do you understand? So you need to do it on time. So then what you get apart from your earnings for validating your data, if you validate your data for each day, you still get what they call V bonus, so which is 50 cents. So let me quickly do it because the time is running. So now I will click on validate. I just click on validate. Now this is an instruction. They put an instruction here which you need to read. Click on two of the adverts to prove you are not a robot. So, and that is what I'm going to click now. These are the adverts. This is the first one. This is the first one, and this is the second one. That's what I'm going to click. And remember, the instruction said as a click on the two. So read this instruction in case they tell you to click one. Don't assume that it will always be two. So it is better to read the instruction, and they ask me to click just only one. So I will just click this one. So good. Once I click it, I will just try to scroll the page so that my screen can scan this very website. They don't ask me to do anything on this website. They just want me to click it to validate that I'm not a robot. Then after doing that, I will now click on back button. So as I click on back button, uh, then I will now click on the second one as well. So the second one, so this is the second one. I can just scroll so that my screen can just scan it all. I can just scroll it, just to stay like a few seconds on the site. Then I press back button. So as I press it, now it has told me that I've validated my data. Can you see? So it is now successful. It is now successful. Let me screenshot it. So view. Now today is Saturday, which is 5th of March. So these are the three when I started 2 days ago. These are the three the one that's done before, and I have earned this. Now let me check. So here we go. Now another thing is that this times 10, I think it is better we click on this one. Can you? So you can get paid up to times 10. So I did it yesterday, but I don't know if I supposed to be doing it every time. So let me just click it to check. So it is better you can read through. This is information about it. You can play this video, they will explain more about this times 10 of a thing. So I did it yesterday, and okay, I've done it. If you have not done it before, you are going to click this one. It will be in pink. So I've done it yesterday. That's why this thing is not clickable now. Before, it is clickable. So but I did it yesterday. If you have not done yours, anytime you see such advert, you need to do it. So then let me just check. So that is that. Let me now go to my status. Let me check my status and see. Okay, this status, I think my wallet. Okay, money maker, this thing. Then let me scroll down. Can you see I've get my V bonus as well? If you do this every day, you are going to be getting 50 cents every blessed day for doing it. And what did I do? I just used this browser. I just use it to browse, surf internet. I visit CoinMarketCap on it. Can you see? These are the sites I normally. So I've opened my Facebook on it as well. I used to do YouTube. If I want to watch anything on YouTube, I'm using it. So I'm using it to watch YouTube videos. Uh, those are just the normal thing I normally do. So I'm using it to watch the video. So can you see? So I can decide to go to Facebook on it. I can decide to go to my Facebook, and I'm just exploring it. I have my Facebook app. By the time I see that, okay, uh, this thing is serving me the way my Facebook app is serving me, I can even uninstall my Facebook app, so that I will not be consuming data. The data that one is consuming, it will not consume it again. So this is what we are talking about. So that is that. I think you have learned one or two things. Thank you. But it is not mandatory that you should be using your Facebook app on the browser, which is Kiwi browser. You can see I'm on Kiwi browser. Can you see it here? So I'm on Kiwi browser, which is here. So but it's not mandatory you open your Facebook on it, but you can also decide to do that. So thank you so much for your time. Thank you so much for your time. You can subscribe, then hit the like button and the notification bell so that you can be getting my videos anytime I upload them. Thank you.